Hey everybody, this is Billy at Bakersfield Tough. Man, you know what? You saw last season, if you follow Bakersfield Tough, that I actually had the old Malibu here redone, man, by Gabe's Custom Upholstery. So I had a post from him that I put. You can kind of scroll down, and it's perfection, man. Right? It's a beautiful piece here. What they do, the workmanship, and I mean, it looks factory new, right? Changed the color scheme up a little bit, kind of matched the boat up, and you know what? I had somebody, I have no idea who, somebody got in here and gave me one of these. Boom. Doesn't that suck, man? And I'm thinking like, oh man, I mean, when you have something brand new and you have this thing, it just kind of like stands out like a sore thumb, right? So I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to take this boat back up to Merced and have this piece. It's like the worst piece you could have to redo is redo this whole back section, right? Well, luckily, I ran into this company called We Can Fix That, and I was doing some reading on it, and I was like, man, can they really fix this thing? So they're here now, and they're gonna try it. And I told them, man, you know what? If you guys can pull this off, I'll put it on Bakersfield Tough, dude. There's a lot of people that have boats, leather furniture, all that stuff, and they claim that they can fix anything, and they can make it look so you can't tell. And we're gonna find out here, and they do. We get a video, man. Anyway, we're gonna find out. So hang tight. Okay, well, we're wrapped up here, and you know what? I'm impressed, man. This is Ben Jones. Ben, you actually did this. You work for Creative Colors. Is it Creative Colors or We Can Fix That? Like, what is it?
Well, the website is wecanfixthat.com.
Yeah.
Creative Colors is the international trademark name. It's
okay.
Creative Colors because we match the colors. That's the main thing. That's our claim to fame.
I didn't know you could match leather and vinyls. I always thought, I hear people say, oh yeah, you can do it. Like they sell kits online, but if you try to do it yourself, it's never going to come out good. You know,
Right.
People try to do it themselves. It doesn't matter how good you are. But you guys are actually really good. Man, I'm going to show them here the final product, and you guys do a lot of stuff for a lot of big companies. And I think a lot of people don't know you're there. And I mean, the idea is that with this thing specifically was a perfect. A perfect solution was having you guys do it because now I don't have to cargo the boat to Merced to have them, I don't know what it would cost to fix a back seat. I know it's not cheap. I mean, for a fraction of the money that I had, probably the gas money, it's probably cheaper than the gas money that I would use to get there.
Yeah.
We got the fix. Let me just show it to them real quick.
And we're local.
Right.
So.
And that's the thing too is, we're lucky to have you guys because if you go and look, there's only select cities that have you guys there. And luckily, Bakersfield or Kern County has it. Right, so if we didn't have you, we'd have to either go to Fresno or Los Angeles to have it.
And we're mobile, so we can come to you. Like I'm meeting you at your boat.
Right, we're here. We're actually at the storage unit, man. I'm here. So let me show it to them real quick. And that's a pretty good fix, man. I mean, we know where it is, so we're gonna see it. But you know what? I went on the forum boards and I did some reading on it. People that have boats and stuff like that, and they say you get them out there for like a few trips, in the lake, and everything kind of just starts blending together. You can't even, notice where it is. And even right now, it's very hard to figure out where it was exactly. You know what I mean? It's really cool, man.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. And so, if they want to get a hold of you to fix, you can tell everybody what you fixed.
Okay, we do anything in the industry with leather, vinyl, plastics, and we work for restaurants, airlines.
Dealerships,
hospitals, car dealerships,
cracked dashes, man.
Yeah, cracked dashes. Oh my goodness, we do all kinds of.
You just showed me one. I mean, it was not only cracked; there was a huge chunk of the block missing, and you fixed it.
Yep, that's just what we do. And we have a lot of proprietary techniques and products that we use, but we do have a lot of advantages. Every one of our technicians are trained, and if you don't pass the training, you can't do the job.
Yeah.
But what we want to do is we want to make sure that, it may not be perfect, but it's going to be a lot better than what it is.
Right.
And of course, not only being local, but being mobile really helps. So nobody has to bring it to a shop.
Yeah.
They have to load a chair into the back of a truck.
Yeah.
But we also, we work for the households. We do stuff in houses all the time.
Yeah.
Veterinarians, not at the vets, but for the people that have the animals that scratch up all your furniture.
Yeah.
Give us a call.
I just saw some stuff you did on leather furniture too. So before you get rid of that leather recliner or chair or thing because you think it's trashed, think about giving these guys a call because I just saw something that I was like, there's no way that, who would keep that? And then by the time you were done, I was like, man, that looks like a brand new piece right there.
Yep. You have three options, on something. You can either repair it, replace it, or recover. And so we prefer to try and repair it if we can, and try and give the best deal possible. I think we have pretty reasonable prices, and we love doing this work.
Yeah.
And it's a service that is definitely needed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, very cool, man. Now I can sleep at night.
very good.
I love it. All right, very cool.
Okay.
All right, man. This is Billy at Bakersfield Tap.